well, one of those boring or complex little builds that you sometimes need on the layout. I have a tunnel entrance into the helix actually, which this is the rails. It's the angle of the tunnel. So the tunnel is going to be at that angle to the rails. And the entrance of the tunnel is a new block, so it needs a signal. I could build a signal out here, but I'm thinking of having a signal attached to the tunnel. Saves me a signal, because I've got these, I can build up signal heads. It's these things with a couple of with some leads in them. So I've done that here. I've got the leads mounted, and the idea is, and I've got the signal head mounted with some styrene sections to a back plate, and the idea is that the back plate will be glued to the tunnel wall, something like that. And that's the angle with the rails, so that angle looks to be okay. But I'm only halfway through at the moment. I've just glued the back plate. Need to let that set. And I'll cut off a little bit of the support beam here. Then I've got to work the wires into, I'll probably drill a hole or something into the wall here and have the wires then come out. Alright, here we have the helix tunnel entrance. It's going to be something like that. And this is the doodad little thingamy that eventually will be glued onto the tunnel entrance like that. So a little bit further along, the signal head been mounted to the tunnel entrance with the right angles. Drawing the wires through and so that's red, green, yep. So the signal head is ready to be installed on the layout. I'm actually going to make another one. So there are 2 tracks, and this has worked out fairly successfully, so I'm preparing another signal head at the moment, which will fit for the second track, which will fit about here. So here we've got the 2 signal heads mounted in front of the onto the tunnel and wired up, test and working. This is the way it would look as the trains approach. This is the main line here. This is the main line here going this way, and this is the siding going here. So I thought I wouldn't mount them at exactly the same height, just to create more interest. Main line higher than the siding. Just looks a little bit more interesting that way. At least I think so anyway. From the top, Okay, now a question of placing it on the layout and hooking up the signals. Here's a view of the helix tunnel entry with its temporary fit. Nothing's hooked up yet, but this is the way it would look from a train locomotive on the industrial siding. It'll stop here before this signal, and then a train on the main line. I'm just pushing this along by hand. Come along here and would stop prior to tunnel entry, waiting for clearance. So it's going to be quite a chore and quite a big project to get the tunnels scenic into the whole helix complex. So that'll be quite a while. But this is just rounding up the completion of the signal head mounting onto the tunnel entrance for both the siding and the main line. Because probably wait until I've got most of the scenicking done and the integrating of this tunnel portal into some sort of helix wall there before I actually hook up the signals. So this will be it for the moment. Concept seems to look okay, and a couple of extra signals have been added to the layout. Okay.